Welcome. In this session, we are trying to understand conditional formatting. The option is top and bottom rules. We have certain rules called top 10 items, top 10%, bottom 10 items, bottom 10%, above average and below average, and you have certain further rules. We will discuss all this in this video. So I have created a data where we have like people XYZ. These are all sales agents who did sales on each month the same way, the same fashion. In the month of April, what they did, and in the month of May, what they did. Rather, I can add another one total column and just total them. I used the rand between formula, that's why the data is changing. Don't worry about it, it's just a sample data, so we need not concentrate or focus on the data per se. We need to understand the conditional formatting itself. Now I am using conditional formatting. I'm just removing first. I'm just clearing the rules for the selected cells. I can do that. I've gone there. Now I need to understand. I want now top 10 items. So top 10 items are, of course, since X, Y, Q are having are all equivalent with they're actually put together as a total, so obviously it will catch only total. So top 10 items, I can say top 5, top 8, rather top 7, top 6, top 5, top 4. I can use it. So the number of how many fields are there here, I can say, and beyond that also I can go. That this is not much useful for me, but I'm just telling you. Now here I'm going to do other options like I can tell yellow fill, I can give green fill, and also right fill. Light red fill, red text, and red border, and I can go to the custom format also. In this, I can just go to whatever. I can go to an underline also. I can just make it as a regular, and I can go to automatic, and then I can strike through, and I can do whatnot. So currently, what I'm trying to do is I'm just putting it with red. If I say this option is there. If suppose I'm not selecting this and I want to clear them. I don't want this formatting I don't want this formatting on total column. Just go to condition formatting, clear rules from selected cells. You can say entire sheet also. You can say from selected cells also. Now once you did, automatically the formatting shifted to other columns where the higher values, where you top whatever you have now here is 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 8. So we selected the conditional formatting as top 8. So accordingly the text is utilized. Fine. So now we understood what? 1, top 10 items or top 8 items. We understood. The second, go there. You can say top 10%. So first what I need to do, I need to clear the conditional formatting. Go there, clear rules. Now I'm selecting the data. Now I'm not selecting total. I'm selecting only what you call XYZ, or rather I'm selecting only X, and I'm telling go there, top 10%. So only one line item is there. Now I'm saying yes. Now I'm selecting, going there again. I'm telling top 10 items with a different color, that is red text. So now I have two different conditions here, but I can manage them by adding rules. So how I've added rules, I can show you here. Manage rules. What I did was, for top 10 items, I have selected the red text with a range of B3 to B13, and for top 10 I have selected only once. I've selected the range of B3 to B13 with red text with red fill. So accordingly it can it be done. I'm telling is stop if true. If I apply, that will go, because if it is true, I'm stopping it. this is an advanced feature, we can talk later. So now I'm just cancelling it, whatever. So this is what is talking about the conditional formatting. Top 10%. Now I said the top 10 items also I've added. The same fashion, you can go to bottom 10. Just you need to select it, go here, bottom 10 items. So all are bottom 10 items. So that is why it is showing. You can rather reduce it, as I told you. You can reduce it. You can change the format you want. Now coming to above average and below average. Average of this is 138. So if I select it, first of all I'm just clearing the rule, then I'm selecting it and I'm going to top bottom rules and I'm saying above average. The average actually is 138. If anything beyond 138, that will be selected here. That is what is above average. So you can do whatever you want so far as the formatting is concerned. In the same way, below average which is below 138 will be selected. If I say go here and I say below average, because I have not cleared the condition now, so I need to clear the condition, otherwise I need to select a different color, whatever it is required. I'm just clearing it for your convenience. Top bottom rules, go to top bottom rules. I'm telling below average and I'm telling that yellow, rather green fill with this. See, so which are all below 138, because the average is 138, will be selected. Sorry. Now what is these are the rules. Now what are more rules? You have several rules here. Format all cells based on their values. You can select them and you can just put like this. You can condition that will be formatted differently. This rule will also be used in different situations, and you can format all based on the values. Format only cells that contain something, like cell value between say you can say 120 and 130, and format, I wanted to strike through them with a red color font, and I say yes. There is only one value which is between those rules. So I can say to go to the manage rule. I'm telling the condition, sorry, I need to extend it. Then only I can say, I don't think I can extend it now, but I can see this. I can rather edit rules. I'm telling that 120 to 130, any value is there, that value has to be striken through. So that's what is there. Second one is format only top or bottom ranked values. So top 10, I'm selling percentage. Rather, let us do one thing, close it. It will become more cumbersome if you have so many colors there. Just I am clearing the rules from there. I'm going there, top 10, more rules, and I'm telling that format only top or bottom ranked values. I'm saying yes, and I'm sending the format strike through, simply strike through, and I'm saying this. So only one. What is the rule? Manage rules. What I'm trying to say is top 10% of this total value is B3 to B13 of total value of 10%. Let us total it. The total is 1726. 1726. Sorry, the value will change because I have used random. So that way it is. So 176 is the conditional formatting, manage rules. 176 top 10%. So beyond 10% is only 195. Above 176 is only one value is there. 177 is there, but maybe it's not matching the condition. So that is why it is considered as what do you call 195. So that way it is. So another rule is format only values that are above or below average. You can again format only unique or duplicate values. You can find duplicate values here. You don't have any duplicates here, so you don't need to. We can use that. What I'm trying to say, use a formula to determine which cell to format. Like you can use a formula. You can formula if this to this what we can say that say greater than 150. Sorry, I have not changed the format. Manage rules, greater than 150, format set, format strike through automatic, and I'm saying green, apply. There are so many values. Maybe I'm not writing the right formula. That's not a problem. So you can use a formula also. We will come to in the next session. I'll make you understand how to do that. So these are the this is what is talk about the top bottom rules. So we can discuss further, because this plan is more rules will come in each section the same way, so that in the next section when we do it, we'll build a proper formula and I'll show you. So thanks for listening this been watching this video. Hope you understood what the conditional formatting for top bottom rules. Thank you.